up, YouTube, and all my babies? It's your girl, Worst Secrets, coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, and tell another friend, tell your partners in them, because we're litty over here. And without further ado, y'all hear the AC in the back. It's hot. Y'all, it's summertime. I'm hot. Y'all niece is hot. So yeah, we gotta have the AC on, because babes, we still gotta do the content, but we gotta keep it cute. So yeah, y'all might hear it in the back. I'm gonna try to project my voice so y'all can hear me. I feel like I speak more than loud enough, But yeah, so we're going to be doing an unboxing from the expressway. Only 2 items, y'all. I just got in the house, y'all. I had to run a few errands, y'all. Adulting, they don't tell you. When you become an adult, your off days consist of running freaking errands. Running errands, doctor's appointments, taking care of the kids, taking care of the family, spouse, baby. Can I just get one couple sleep-in days? Just sleep in. Y'all, I was like, dang, like, why y'all didn't tell us this? Y'all left this in the dark. Like, seriously, I couldn't wait. I was so thirsty to be grown. It seemed like all I do is work, school, and that's it. But hey, somebody gotta do it, right? What else? Y'all, I read this post before we get started, but I read this post. It said, you know you getting old when you get excited to go to Dollar Tree. Y'all, I've officially reached that age. I'm 33 years old, and I love going to Dollar Tree. I just got in from Dollar Tree. Had to pick up a few items, y'all. Little stuff like boxes of Kleenex and stuff, I get from Dollar Tree, because y'all, that stuff is so expensive elsewhere. So I went to Dollar Tree, got me a few snacks. Definitely go there for the snacks too. Some wipes. They got the baby wipes. So y'all, and one of the snacks I got me a ginger ale. I love ginger ale. Even though it's not diet, I was just like, whatever. Y'all, this right here got me in a chokehold. I don't know who, what, when, where, and why. Y'all, lately I've been tearing these Reese's Pieces up. I ate majority of them last night. This is what's left. Baby, when I tell you Reese's Pieces, babes, that's all I'm gonna say. In the chokehold. But let's get to it. So the first one we have is this right here. This is for y'all niece. I thought this was so cute. It's a passport, doggy passport, but I really got it because I want to keep her stuff in here. So y'all know I'm a first-time dog mom. No, I didn't adopt. Maybe in the future I will. It's just I wanted a specific breed of dog, because y'all know Lola, which is my auntie's baby, she's a Shih Tzu also. So when we babysit her, I fell in love with her, the breed. So I knew, like, I was stalking the APL site, but I never seen like a Shih Tzu, or I would have adopted it. I don't care what the age would have been. But when I seen it, I'm just like, and didn't see anything come up. So yes, I did purchase Luna, but that's my baby. I birthed her. Thank you. She has my last name. But no, like, being a dog mom, like, I didn't know how much stuff they give you. Like, I carry my own medical cards and stuff like that, but everything is digital. And majority of stuff is digital with her, but I want to keep, like, they gave her, for her rabies, they gave proof of her rabies vaccination. She also has a card that has, like, her information and her chip information. And then she also have another thing showing, like, her breed, as far as, like, her being a pure breed and stuff like that. So I just want to keep her little stuff in here in case, like, if we travel anywhere. And then I have, like, my letter for her and stuff for an emotional support animal and stuff. So babes, I just want to keep it in here so I can just keep it tucked, put it in there, bada boom, bada bang. And then, y'all, I'm sorry, y'all getting real live action. Real live action. And then this is the last thing, y'all. I was just scrolling on one of my late night scrolls and seeing this bag, I'm like, this is different. And then I took a screenshot and I was like, let me see if this bag, is out there or anything. And I guess it is a thing. I'm not sure if it's like a real thing. I don't think it's a real thing, but there is a thing, such as like the Jellycat designer bags. This is the Jellycat Hermes bag. I think it comes in Hermes, Chanel, and a different brand, but those was like 70, 80 bucks. This was only 25. And I thought this was so cute. So cute. It's supposed to be like the Birkin Firkin. Looks a little different because the other one actually had the flap that folded down, and then this would meet with the lock. So I mean, it's cool. This is just, you know, one of the ones where you connect the magnet, and it has the strap, silver hardware, or more like a gold, bronze type of silverish, or maybe it's fading. The bottom doesn't have any feet, but it has this. I thought this was cute, just to wear, like if I go out somewhere. I got some orange Crocs and an orange trucker hat if I want to be fun and playful. So yeah, y'all, this is cute. This is called the Jellycat designer bag, or the Jellycat purse. And I only seen this on the expressway. I don't know, maybe you can find it on like TikTok or something like that, but I only found it on there. Oh, I take that back. And I found it on Walmart. They got it on Walmart.com for like 20 something bucks. And I think come in like a blue book bag. They got different ones. But yeah, y'all, this is a very miniature haul and ramble. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.